Very good, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, last day I saw your video with Smoothie or something like that. So I feel so excited to talk with you, ma'am, because she talks about you that we usually talk to each other. So I thought I also should talk to you once.
Okay. Okay. Introduce yourself.
Okay. So today this is our first time in a video call. So I would like to introduce myself. So my name is Joseph Murmu, and I am from Jharkhand, Dumka district, and
Okay.
I am a student. And this year I am doing my graduation, and in a part
Mm-hmm.
one, and from art subject. Uh, so this is my short introduction, and I would also like to tell you about my family member. We have we are three members in my family. My mother is there, and my one brother, and myself. We are three members. And my father passed away since I was a kid. So,
Okay.
ma'am,
So sad.
yeah, ma'am. So, ma'am, this is my very short introduction. So, I'm very happy and I'm curious to know about yourself, ma'am. Can you please give me a
Okay.
short introduction?
Yeah. Why not? You give a very nice introduction. Okay. My name is Mamta Yadav. I hail from Haryana. As a profession, I am a computer teacher. That's all
Uh,
about myself.
also,
Okay. You
ma'am,
were saying yes.
so what language do you speak there? What is the local language of that place, ma'am?
My native language is Hindi, and my other language is English.
Wow.
Okay. And what about you? Which is your
Uh,
native language?
my native language is Santhali. We used to speak in Santhali, and
Santhali.
we used to carry towel something like that because we used to go for looking after our cows and all. So uh, this is we used to basically carry most of the time
Okay.
because this day it's a scorching heat, like sunlight, too heavy sunlight these days. So we used to cover our
Yeah.
head to protect ourselves.
Yeah. Definitely.
So
What is the
ma'am,
temperature over there? What is the
uh,
temperature?
temperature it is 45. Yesterday it was
45.
45, ma'am.
Oh, it's too hot.
Yes, ma'am, exactly, it is too hot these days.
Okay, you were saying me you seen my video. Where did you get it?
Actually, I got it in YouTube channel. I saw your video, but
Okay.
that was a channel of Snoody. Snoody. And recently, I saw both of you were talking very confidently. So, so ma'am, I am also a beginner and I'm also a English learner. So, I'm very curious to learn more and more about this English because ma'am, this is my first time speaking to you in front of the camera. I used to feel very scared when I speak to someone or
Yeah.
in public also. I used to feel very scared. So what are the key to make sure to not be scared in speaking in front of people or in front of camera? This
Yeah.
time also, ma'am,
As you,
I,
as you
ma'am,
said, you are talking first time in front of camera, and you are quite confident. You are not looking like a learner, and you have a little bit confident. So,
oh yeah,
if you want to remove your hesitation, so keep conversing with co-learners
oh,
continuously without any skip.
oh
Every
yes,
day you should have one conversation with any co-learner. Try to connect with them.
thank you, ma'am.
So it
That's a
will
very
remove
good
your
idea.
hesitation.
Yes.
Okay. How long have you been learning English language?
Uh, Ma'am, I have learning from my like 10th, around when I was in a 10th class. So from that time onwards, I used to learn because I saw my some of the students, those who are very confident in speaking English, and they used to be look more confident speaking in front of the public or in front of the stage. They used to speak or sing, perform very without any hesitation. So I feel something to do like them. and by myself only I am learning through YouTube channel, and I have not done any courses to learn English. And
Okay.
I'm just expecting to join some college or something like that, but I don't have that much expenses to give charges. But I am practicing by myself in YouTube channel. I used to watch a lot of English YouTube channel, conversation video.
Okay.
So through all that,
Which
somehow I get to learn.
yeah, which channel is your favorite channel?
Um, I forgot the name actually. Exactly, I'm not remembering. But there is one Steve Harvey, I think. So. Steve Harvey, he used to, that show is from for a child. You know the channel Steve Harvey is American YouTuber.
Okay.
I used to watch his video more because the kids, if a younger person or if a man or if a woman are speaking, I am unable to understand their language or the way they speak. But when a kid speak na ma'am, that time I can hear very clearly, and I can note it down. So that is why I used to watch some kids shows, something like that. So I
Okay.
can say Steve Harvey is the best channel to learn in English.
Okay. But they have a different accent. Are you getting their accent or not?
Yeah, the word which I don't get. I used to pause that video and I used to listen again and again. So that is the way I used to uh, get to understand that words or the language.
Okay.
Ma'am, actually, I'm able to understand their language, but I'm unable to speak this English. So, what are the some of, ma'am? Can you give me some of the points to learn and to do, as you tell me that every day we have to make some conversation video with someone. So I don't know much people, those who are in a same platform doing or learning English. So what can I do to get into them to make video or something like that?
Okay. Uh, have okay. You are on. You are on first. You are first time talking with me. You don't
Yes.
have any group
No, ma'am.
on Skype. And where did you get my Skype ID?
I I saw in a video, then I
Okay.
just typed
Okay.
the name. So it's come in that Skype app.
No, so I will add you in the group, and there are lots of co-learner. You can converse with them anytime,
Okay.
anywhere.
Yes, ma'am.
It's totally depend on you. Whenever you feel free, you can converse with them.
Okay, ma'am.
They are available all the times.
Oh, do
More
they
than
also make
thousands co-learners
conversation?
are there. I'm
Sorry, ma'am.
sorry.
Come again. I was just
Yeah.
trying to know that all those participant are making conversation video, or just it's a group only.
Most of them are YouTubers, and some of them they don't want they don't want any YouTubers to record their video, so they just talk on audio call. And sometimes, if you are if they feel like that you are not recording them, so then they can talk with you on video call. But you don't have to record them. They
Okay,
deny
ma'am.
to record the video.
Yes, yes.
So
It's
you
okay,
should be
ma'am.
honest with them.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. So please, ma'am, add me to that group so I can also learn more, because
Yeah,
I
I will
love
add.
to.
I will add you over there, and then you can connect with any co-learners. Just drop the message.
Yeah.
If anyone will be available, so they will connect with you.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, I want to know about you that how long you are speaking English? How long have you been speaking English? Because I'm
Yeah.
uh,
If
you
I
that you are
talk
very
about
uh,
hmm,
because you are very
if I talk about
frequently speaking and very confidently. So I would like to know about it.
yeah, I tell you about my journey. I started it from during Corona time, but that
Oh,
time we used to practice on our own, means me and my co-learner. And after since then, we are consistently learning this language. And if you talk about my conversation journey, I started it February 2024, and I
Oh,
created my YouTube channel January 2024. And earlier, I used to upload over there grammar related content, but after that, means in since February 2012, 24, sorry, I uploaded my conversation video.
wow. That's a great journey of learning English, ma'am.
And
And
since then, I am connecting with co-learners every day. Whenever I get time, I connect with them. If we
in
don't
which,
speak, we forget everything. If
yeah,
you
exactly.
want to learn, so you have to connect with someone every day, and you have to speak every day. And
Wow.
while conversing with co-learners, you can learn grammar rule as well.
Yes,
From
exactly.
YouTube, there are lots of YouTube channel, and there are lots of good mentor. They are teaching free of cost, so you can join with them and learn grammar, and then uh, s- uh, implement that grammar rule in your speaking part.
Yes,
This is
ma'am.
how I'm doing.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm also watching lots of videos, and after watching that video, I implement that on my speaking part.
Uh,
All
so
of
that
means
very good, yeah, ma'am.
mm,
That
when
is a
we are
very good idea, I think, ma'am. I will also work in that the way you tell me, because I was lacking of this only, ma'am. Actually, I was struggling to log in this Skype. So I bought a new number and I just logged in with it. Otherwise, I was having another number, but it was not working on Skype.
okay.
So
Don't
fortunately, I have to
worry.
change.
As we finish this conversation, I will add you in that group, and you can drop the message. And if someone will free, they will connect with you. No issue.
Yeah,
And you
ma'am.
will.
So, ma'am, I can see you. You are preparing something. So, can you tell me what are you going to prepare today for breakfast, or I think for lunch? I can, I can see
Yeah,
you.
I'm making pova, and I'm peeling the onion for means to make sirka onion. Have you heard about sirka onion?
No, ma'am, I'm not able to understand about the. This is my first time listening that words. What did you say,
These
it,
are
ma'am?
the onions. These are the onions.
Yeah, yeah,
Small
onion.
pieces, right?
Yes.
Okay. I just cut it in four pieces. Half I
Okay.
have cut for half of it, and now
Oh,
I'm going to add it in sirka vinegar.
oh, yeah, yeah, vinegar.
Uh, like this is the vinegar. I earlier prepared this, but it's finished. That's why I'm making more. So I have added it in beetroot, one beetroot,
Yes.
and vinegar, and now I'm adding the onion and
Oh,
leave it for 24 hours. It will observe the vinegar, and then it taste will turn into sweet.
wow.
Just
The.
add this and store it in fridge,
Oh, okay.
just like that.
Oh,
And it's a glass jar, and you have to cover it
okay.
and then keep it for 24 hours. After 24 hours, you can eat this with your meal. And apart
Uh,
from this, I'm making poha. You never heard about poha?
yeah, yeah, ma'am. Poha, I have taken in shop, and I was also
You
at
have to
Maharashtra. Uh, like at COVID time, I was at Maharashtra, ma'am. I was also doing my one theological not theological college, but yeah, you can say we went on a event program. There we get to eat poha, and that was very tasty. But here we basically don't get something like that kind of breakfast. We used to get only that puffed rice and that chola and pani puri all we can get here, but poha and all we don't get here.
It's light and it's easy to digest. That's why we use pova. And if you take oily things, it is heavy or it's hard to digest if you eat a little bit oily.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
I'm going
Can
to
you?
add it.
Sorry to interrupt, ma'am. I was I was asking you that. Can you give me a recipe about how to make poha? Because I love poha, but I don't know or I don't know how to cook, how to prepare.
Yeah, definitely. Just you have to cut the onion
Okay.
in slices.
Yes.
Okay. Now you have to put oil in the wok. Just a minute. I'm showing you.
Okay.
It's oil. First, we
Oh.
have to heat it, and
Yeah.
as once it heat up, then we have to add it cumin seeds.
Yes.
You can see here,
Yeah. I can.
and
Yes.
now I'm going to add cumin seeds.
Okay.
Just crack it, let it crack, and then I add some peanuts. It's
Okay.
raw
Peanut.
peanut.
Okay. Okay. This is peanut. I can see.
I have to roast it for a while.
How many minutes or a second you have to raw it that peanuts?
1 minute or 2 minutes only. It doesn't take much time. It's you can make pova within 2 and 3 minutes.
Ma'am, what will be uh, the flame level? Because I
It's
cannot see.
medium, and
Oh, it.
uh, you can increase the flame according to yourself.
Oh, okay.
This is the flame.
Yes. Yes.
Fry it till it crack.
Okay.
Like you can hear the sound. Now
Yeah,
it's
I can hear.
cracking.
Audible. Yes, I can hear.
Now you can add the onion.
Okay. Wow, ma'am, it looks so